You said a bunch of meth heads put this in, huh?
I wasn't real happy.
My name's Ernest, and I'm here to fix the furnace. You know what I mean? Alright, so here we go again. Here we go again. Ultra low NOx. See what this thing does. That. It's all crooked. Oh yeah. All right. On these, there's no orifice to replace. So what you have to do is install a gas regulator on the inlet side to regulate the pressure. You can't adjust this. But it lit. It lit. But you shouldn't be doing that. Alright, so let me try to adjust this, see if I can get that start up a little better. So let's go ahead and zero this out. Where's zero? Hook this joker up. Give it a little hot. Good. So there. Go ahead and your thermostat's still on, sir?
Yep, still up to 79.
Let's see what this manifold pressure is. See what this old Smoky does.
Those Temp get up through the brakes.
I mean, I tell you not to, there's no adjusting on that. Okay, get the hot surface igniter. Okay, there we go. That's right on the money, man. It is, yeah. I screwed it down some more. adjust it slowly here. That's a good startup, right? So I bumped up your gas pressure from the street, okay? Let's see if this regulator's working right. Counterclockwise. See what this does. There. I mean, it's pretty good right there. Yes, sir. Go ahead and shut your thermostat off. Let's cycle it one more time and see what it does. Fire it back up and bring it back to life again and see if this does the trick here.
Third time's the charm.
Yeah, let me zero this out. Zero out that manometer. So I adjusted this gas valve, so we'll see. Yeah, because what you're getting from the street, you can't change what's coming in, but you can change a little bit what's coming out on your regulator. Yeah, I just tweaked it just a little bit. So let's see what this thing does now. Because it was really woofing before, huh?
All sorts of noises. Yeah, it almost sounded like it was shaking. Again, there was that popping sound.
Yeah, 3.3 is what you want. Gas manifold pressure. 3.3 is what we want. So let's see how close it is now. These things are so temperamental.
Yeah, I've been thinking the same thing.
And it's just like, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. Ain't too much you can do about it.
30-year-old buddies I had in
Okay, here we go. I'll probably get out of the way in case this thing blows my guts out.
Yeah.
Okay, so we got 3.36. And nominal 3.3. Let's hear it light. Fire up the blower. There's that. There you go. That better?
That sounds smooth as silk as compared to when I was there.
Well, Dave, there ain't too much more I can do, my friend. In Ernest we trust. My name's Ernest and I'm here to fix the furnace. You know what I mean? Yeah. You said a bunch of meth heads put this in, huh?
I wasn't real happy.
Well, I think that's the best we're gonna get it, man. Manifold pressure, inches of water column, 3.3. We're at 3.30. I'll bring it up a little bit. So yeah, you can't adjust these valves either, man. You gotta use a regulator. Bada bing. Bada badusi. Okay. So just come in here and you can start, if it's doing that farting noise, just come in here and look. Check your pressures. Make sure you got good gas pressure coming in. And if you do, then check your manifold pressure and it'll tell you what it needs to be. Minimum supply pressure is 4.5 because you got to have 3.3 coming out the manifold. Then it should be all right. All right. right, so there you have it with those ultra low NOx furnaces. Some of them you can't put an orifice in there like I showed the other day. You've got to put in a regulator on the inlet side to regulate the gas pressure, because you can't adjust the valve. So you have to make sure you have good pressure from the street, and then once you verify you have good pressure from the street, then you take that inlet valve and adjust it in accordance to whatever size furnace you have. It'll tell you right on the data plate there inside the cabinet. So if you guys run into this out there and it helps you out, that's a good thing. So hopefully this helps somebody out there. And so on to the next one. I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm out.